A Wichita Falls man is facing a charge of aggravated robbery after police say he pulled a knife on a sporting goods store manager when he was denied the sale of a handgun before then demanding the manager give him a 12-gauge shotgun.
32-year-old David Scott Dolan is in jail on $100,000 bond. Police say they responded to Academy Sports on Lawrence Road just before 10 Saturday morning about a robbery in progress at the firearms counter. They say the firearms sales clerk told them Dolan had come to the counter and asked to buy a pistol, but was told he could not purchase a handgun because he had an out-of-state ID card. The clerk said Dolan then selected a Stevens 12-gauge shotgun and filled out paperwork to purchase it, but was acting upset that he couldn't buy the pistol.
When it was time for Dolan to pay for the shotgun, he told the manager, quote, "I don't care, I'm going to get that gun." The manager took the gun back to the firearms department and locked it up. Then Dolan returned a few minutes later holding a knife and told him he wanted that gun. Dolan opened the employee's only door to get behind the counter and began advancing on the manager with that knife.
The manager was able to get out of the area and call police. Authorities say surveillance video shows Dolan behind the counter attempting to remove the shotgun but was unsuccessful.